Something to think about. Let's go to some of the comments, ladies and gents, and then we'll keep it moving. Hello, hello. Thank you for the super chat, New York Varsity. When is ICE going to go after actual gangs? Asking for a third generation Latino.
We'll be on soon, guys.
Jacked. Well, they said that they went after the Venezuelan gang. That's what they said. But the people I saw getting beat up were not even gang members. Frank said she giving 50 Cent a run for his money. Damn. Yeah. Thank you, Marlon. We could save money on tuition and ammo by arresting war criminals and importing them to prisons. Ooh. Marlon, you come up with a lot of ideas. Thank you, Roger. Didn't see NYC on the top 10 list either. Nope. Because crime went down. Thank you, Trash Panda. Every administration takes the worst of their predecessors' policies and doubles down. I'm warning everybody. I'm warning you. Thank you, Cougar. Roland Martin interviewed Chuck Schumer, and it was terrible. Schumer said APAC buddies Warnock and Booker are responsible for black.
Madam, can you hear me?
Marketing.
Yes, I hear you.
Okay, cool. 1 second, folks.
Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Thank you, Harmony. Stay strong.
Okay, hello, everyone. I hope everybody's doing fine and dandy, and they had a successful trading day like some folks that I know, and I'm glad for that. I hope you guys keep the momentum going. Let's just go over what happened today. Today was basically a down day, as you can see from the new panoramic view that I have here, all white. The Dow went down 0.20%. NASDAQ, out of these, was the second winner of the down day, I guess. 0.67%. S&P not too bad, 0.38%. And then the Russell 2K was the winner of the losers, I guess, 1.07. You can see from the index, from the heat map here, is a plethora of Christmas lights, red Christmas lights. You can see that Google, Tesla, NVDA didn't do that bad. Where Tesla really did 4.45. Overall here in this sector, not too bad. Consumer defensive was green. Software application was red. So yeah, it was a mix. So that's why I guess the S&P 500 wasn't too bad. I also wanted to show you guys something really neat from this FinViz app here. If you go to Screener, you can find a lot of information about specific tickers and such and whatnot, and when they're going to have earnings. S&P, let's see, S&P, for example. Well, sorry. I'll show you this at another time when I have more time, but this is a really good page for you guys to do to find a lot of info that you want, like earnings, like market cap, and whatnot. So yeah, it's good. Take a look at that. And also this page, it has a lot of great information that you can find. So, stuff like this, like you can get very good stats on what's going on. And you can see this is like what it's composed of. Okay, so let's go back here to what happened today, and we can expect from the quotes here, the winners and losers, and you can see that there are more losers than winners. So Piton, I'm glad for this. Finally, this thing is going down. Negative 10.56%. Woohoo! Ford, I'm not surprised because you can tell by these two garbage tickers that, things should be starting going down.
It's funny that Piton's going down, but my option has been getting more negative. Like I'm negative 448. And before I was negative 404, which is kind of weird.
It's low, it's probably a low delay. Okay, here's DraftKings, guys, and I had mentioned this before, not to buy it desperately. This is now at a good, you should start watching for this because actually the place to buy it will be $30. Okay, you can see there's a floor here around $30, and that's where you want to get it. You want to get it around $30. So if you bought it over here as a test, that's fine. Maybe you didn't get too many shares, but you can average back in here around $30 or so because it's a very obvious floor, at least to me. You can see that that's where it kind of likes it around, yeah, $30-ish is good. It hits it here, hits it here. Every time I hit it, 30 goes up. Every time it hits 30, it goes up and 30. So you can see if it breaks down from this level, the next level will be about 25 and then 10. So I would say 30 is a good price to look at DraftKings. Tesla didn't do that good today, and it was because it kind of reversed after it got to this top. It's been kind of reversing. So Miss Green
It was
had
kind of a short today.
yes, it was a very beautiful
I was
short.
in it. I had one contract as a put. I didn't make too much on it, but it was kind of a short.
It was a short.
Yeah, but it took longer than I thought, and I didn't feel like waiting. So I
Yes,
just
it was a complete short. All you had to do was wait. But it was a short. Like if you got it up here, in the first 15 minutes and then you sold it, it was fine. You just had to wait 1.5 hours or something. The same thing here. If you got it here, it was a beautiful short too. And
I
along
was
if you
too
got,
impatient this morning, so
I can see. So that's Tesla for you. Coin,
and
not
plus
really.
Tesla is more expensive. Guys,
Mhm.
it's like usually between 800 to 1500 per contract. So it's a
Yes.
little bit cray. So if it doesn't start going down immediately, I just be like, all right, it's $50, $60 positive. Let me KAT.
Yes. You can see that Nike has been going down. It rejected this buying level zone here. Um, it it's almost doing a flat bottom breakdown as again, I would expect that the next buying level would be here in this around 62, 60 area zone. I wouldn't buy it now.
There's been
Um,
a lot of bad news about Nike
Dollar
write-ups, so
Tree,
it's probably gonna continue to keep rolling downhill.
yes. Dollar Tree, as I had mentioned, wait for it. So it looks like it's going to continue going down based on this hanger here. A flat bottom breakdown. It broke down this level that almost broke down this level that Miss Green had identified. So let's see if it breaks down from here. But based on this, I think it's going to continue to go down to gutter land. Let's see, Dallas. I believe one of these had earnings today or something. Oh, it's going to have earnings in 2 days. So that's something people may want to be on the lookout for. Delta Airlines. That's pasado mañana and 2 days. It's been climbing up. It's been climbing up, and the today was just a down day in general. So we'll see what happens. I wouldn't get this here. I would just wait till it goes down at least a little bit more on around 47 area. Let's see, Uber. I don't really care. Let's look at Google. It's been high in the sky. A hanger today, so this could potentially continue to go down tomorrow. Hopefully, it goes down to 229.88, and even better if you can buy it when you're going to buy a stock of this. Obviously, you want to get it around 185. Do a little test at 200. That's the price that you want to get it at around there.
Also, you had brought up Apple the other time you talked. You may want to look at that.
Yes.
Apple, I'm sorry, Amazon.
Yes, I'll look at Apple first though, since you mentioned Apple. Apple's been up here. It has been doing really fantastic after the breakout. You can see that it's kind of like right at the top. If this breaks this level here, you can expect it to go a little bit higher, you know, for the next level, 260, maybe 270-ish or so. But it has been skyrocketing since it did this gigantic jump here. So what we want to watch out for the question is, will it reject it or will it break it? So if it breaks it, it's going to continue to go up a little bit more. And if it does the rejection, you can expect that you may want to buy it around 223. That's basically it for that. Let's take a look at Meta. I've been watching Meta too. Meta is in this area, in this floor here, around this floor, which is a good pivotal point. Hopefully it breaks this floor and continues to go down, because we really want to see it at a better price than this. Amazoni, sort of same deal. It's in this area right here of this floor. However, it would be fantastic if you're going to get it. Obviously, it would be better here around 180, 150, 160 or so. We'll have to just keep an eye on this to see if it breaks this level. Let's look at the winners. Let's see if anything else catches my eye. Oh, NVDA. It's doing another hanger. It's done 2 hangers, okay? 2 hangers, but this hanger was not successful. So I'm anticipating maybe that this is a potential hanger. We'll bring it down a little bit. Let's take a look
Can
at
we
this
look
one.
at it on the daily, Elisa? I'm sorry, yeah, the daily.
Sorry,
And
my
what
bad.
happened today?
I thought it was the daily. Yes, look, it's a hanger here. So this hanger was successful. So hopefully this one is too, and we'll bring it down.
Where's it at for the minute? What happened today? It still went down. All right, so I'm gonna put NVIDIA on the notes for mañana because it's
Mhm.
prime for a day trade.
Yes, ma'am. And that's it for the losers. Let's take a look at the winners. AMD, this thing has been skyrocketing. It skyrocketed 25% the other day. So if you had this in your stash of stocks portfolio, hey, lávame eso. This is what happened. If you were down here in this flat area and you were just, waiting in line, boom, you made some money. So it was very, very volatile. And the last couple of days has been very volatile. Today, even though it was, it was also a short, it stayed flat, but it's been kind of going up in an uptrend. AMD.
It didn't go
Netflix,
down as much as I thought it would.
huh?
It didn't go down as much as I thought it would. The
Yes, it's been
AMD.
strong. It's been it's been, it been gapped up and it's been staying up there.
I thought today would be the breakdown, but I guess not.
This is Netflix. It has been doing really good the last couple of days. You can see it's been kind of on an upward trend since it got here. Today was a little hanger. And yeah, we shall see if it rejects that area again. If it breaks here, I think that's good. It will continue to go up. Otherwise, I don't trust it. Sorry, my fault. Let's see. Let's continue back to where we were. That's Netflix. Sam. Oh, Sam did good today, guys. 221.45. Good for you, Sam. Palantir, also up in the sky here, a little hanger. Sorry. It's very volatile, this thing, but it was a short. 11 o'clock, boom, it went down. It picked up and sort of stayed up here, went back down, stayed kind of flattish. So that's Palantir for you. Intel's been doing really good. There's your car, aka Avis. Is back at 141, 140, let's see, 149.22. Ever since it got up here, which we had marked, it has been starting to go down since July, and it should continue to go down back to its mean over here, or at least 118. But you know, it's on hard buy, and that tells you all you need to know. Walmart, 103.17. Target on Skid Row. Yeah, I feel bad for Target. I went there the other day. You can expect this to come back to reality, maybe $50. Yeah, around $60. Maybe it'll start bouncing up there for Walmart. Zony, I think we went over that one. And that's it, guys. That's all I have. We have a couple of notes to take. Again, manage your risk. Be consistent as you can. Keep the positive attitude. Keep it moving. Take it one day at a time, one point at a time, and you'll be successful. And if you need to get out, just get out. I will talk to you guys later. Peace out. Any comments or additional things from you, Miss Green? I guess not. We'll talk to you guys later. Peace out.
Pippin suddenly married
Hello?
a 70-year-old woman in 19.
Peace. Like and subscribe, guys. We'll be back mañana, tomorrow.